Welcome to embodying any text in Photopea. Here is what you should do. I will go for the T and I will go for code with Samuel. Okay. So what I can do here, I will activate the move tool. Okay. And make sure that the auto select is checked. I will move this from one place to another. Let me go for a duplicate of this by going for the control key. Let me get the on-screen keyboard. So to get a duplicate of this, what you should do is to go for the control key, but before that, make sure that it is selected. As you can see, it is highlighted. Then the control key and the letter J will give you a duplicate of this. Okay, let me minimize, and then I will click and take that out. So right now, to know which one is the original one and the duplicated one, go for the transform controls and check. You can see this is the original one. When you click on the one that says with Samuel copy, it shows you the duplicated one. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, I will select the one that I would like to embody the font. Okay, so what I will do here is to go select the original one. I don't have to activate this. Let me uncheck that. Then go for this T here. You can see the capital T and the small t. Click on that and then go for this, the first one here. Okay, and click on that. You can see the difference. To close this, click back on the T and that is closed. So you can see the difference. Okay, so this is how to embody any text in Photopea. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Please remember to hit that like button